This is question 9 from 13.3 Ncert class 12th book. It's a good question, easy है. So they are saying two groups are there, okay, for which are competing for the position of board director of corporation. Okay, so possibility that first will win is 0.6. So I have written here in the form of chart that first one will win is 0.6 or second will win is 0.4. Perfect. Then they are saying that the chances that first company will launch a new product is 0.7 here. Okay, and the chances that if second company is selected will launch a new product is 0.3. ठीक है, तो I have written every information in the form of chart. Correct. Now we have to find the probability that a new product is introduced and it was given by the second group. ठीक है, तो न्यू प्रोडक्ट, how many chances are there that new product is launched either by the first company or by the second company? Probability that it was given by the second group is this. This is the favorable that we have to find. Correct. So probability that the second company has launched and condition is that the new product was launched. Okay, so what do? We take favorable by total. Correct. Total possibility that new product came is done by first group and new, so 0.6 into 0.7 plus second group gave and new product came, to 0.4 into 0.3. This one is favorable, the second one is favorable. Okay, so it should be 0.4 into 0.3, this one. Okay, there are two decimal on every term, so let me remove it. It will be 12 by 42 plus 12. You know, 4 3s are 12 and 7 things are 42. So this is 12 by I think 54. Cutted by 6 2s are, I'm sorry, 6 2s are and 6 9s are. So 2 by 9 is the answer. Okay, I'm doing little fast because you got used to by now making flowchart. So this is the answer. Okay, this is absolutely correct method to understand and to solve it. Let's do 10th question. 10th is a very important question. Let me read it for you. There is a girl throwing a die. Either she will get 5 or 6 or 1 2 3. So let me write down. Girl throws a die. Correct? What she's throwing a die? So either 5 or 6 will come, they are saying, or other chances 1 2 3 or 4 will come. So what are the chances this will come? Is 2 by 6. And chances that 1 2 3 4 will come 4 by 6, because die has total 6 numbers. So 5 6 means 2 out of 6 and others are 4 out of 6. They are saying now, if she gets 5 6, she will throw a coin 3 times. Okay? If she will throw coin 3 times, so what are the possibilities? We know that 8 possibilities are there. Let me write down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, what are the 8 possibilities? That first में there is HHH. So second will be HH, head tail, tail head or tail tail. ये possible है. Next में suppose first में you got a tail. Second में maybe head head, head tail, tail head or tail tail. These are 8 possibilities. ठीक है. If she gets 1 2 3 4, she will toss the coin once. So only 2 possibilities are there, either head or tail. तो ये है चार्ट आपका. ठीक है. Now they are saying, if she gets 1 head, she is getting exactly 1 head. 1 head के chances हैं maybe this or maybe this or maybe this, because others may be 3 head or 2 head or maybe 0 head. So only these 3 cases, correct? 1 head, or maybe this one also 1 head. So they are saying she gets 1 head. What is the probability that she had thrown 1, 2, 3, 4? Means second case, this one is preferable. Okay. So let's try to solve it. What they are asking is, find the probability that 1, 2, 3, 4 was thrown given that she got exactly 1 head. This is the condition, exactly 1 head. So what is the probability that she got 1 head? Exactly 1 head is 3 out of 8, है or means not 1 head, not 1 head. What is the probability is 5 by 8, correct? Here what is the probability? Exact 1 head she got is 1 by 2 and not got is 1 by 2. ठीक है. So what are the total chances that she got head? And here is the favorable, correct? The total chances that she got 1 head are these. Let me write that she threw 5, 6 and she got head, 1 head, or she threw these 1, 2, 3, 4 and she got head. These are 2 possibilities are there. Okay, let me write down 2 possibilities, that she 5 or 6 came and she got 1 head. You can see that 1 head is this, that she threw 5, 6 and she got 1 head. Second possibility, that she threw these 4 possible numbers, which is 4 by 6 and she got head, which is 1 by 2. Okay, be careful. Which one is favorable? This one is favorable, correct? Which is 4 by 6 into 1 by 2, correct? That she threw 1, 2, 3, 4 and she got 1 head. This is favorable. Okay, so let me simplify it. Okay, understood how we got favorable by total. So I think 6 is everywhere, we can cancel. Okay, let's simply will cancel. 2 2s are, so 2 by here 4s are 3 by 4 plus this is cancelling 2. So it will be 2 by 11 by 4, correct? So if I flip it into 4 by 11, so it will be 8 by 11. This is the answer. Right? Denominator flip karke you will get the answer. Very simple and straightforward question 11. Okay, you will find it in your book in NCERT on page number 432. Okay, this is the page number. So there are 3 machines. Okay, let me write down how many machines are there. 3 machines. So machine A, machine B and machine C. So the first operator produces 1% defective pieces, second one 5% and third one 7%. So first machine is doing 50% job, yani 50 out of 100. B is doing 30%, right? They have given, you can read the question. C is doing 20% job. ठीक है. Now A can produce defective and maybe not defective, correct? So there are 1% chance, they have given the first machine, there are 1% chance that it is defective. So not defective will be 99%, correct? Then chances by machine B defective are how many? 5%, correct? They have given 5%, 5 out of 100. So 95% will be not defective. Machine C also has 2 cases, defective or not defective. So defective are 7%, 7 out of 100. So 93% will be not defective. Okay, this is the table which is given. probability you have to find it is defective, probability that it was done by A. ठीक है, तो what we have to find, probability that it was done by machine A, given that it is a defective piece. This is the condition, that it is defective. So total possibility, defective means maybe machine 1 or maybe by machine 2 or maybe by machine 3. These are all possibilities. But you need to find that it was done by this. So this one is favorable, correct? The first one is favorable. So we have to find favorable by total, है ना? This is the formula, total possibilities. So let me try to solve it here. So they are saying defective. So if it is done by the first machine and defective, so what are the chances? 50 by 100 and defective, or second machine and defective, है ना? or third machine and defective. Out of that, this one is favorable. This one, the first one is favorable. The first one, which is 50 by 100 and 1 by 100, correct? So let me just cut 100, 100, 100, 100. ठीक है, easy. So let's simplify. So numerator is 50 by 50 plus 150 plus 140, correct, है ना? 7 2s are 140, this is 150 and this is 50 only. So this will be 50 by 340, okay? So 0 0 cancel. The answer is 5 by 34. This was the easiest question, I feel. Even the calculation was easy. Okay, 11th is done. 12th question, let us see. They are saying there are 52 cards and one is lost. Okay. From the remaining card of pack, 2 cards are drawn. Remaining 2 are drawn and they both are found to be diamond. Okay. Find the probability that the lost card is diamond. This is an important question and little bit, the table will be little bit tricky. Just slightly tricky. So let me write down there are cards. Okay, 52 cards are there. So you have to find the probability that card lost is diamond. So there are 2 chances. First, the card is lost. After that, you are picking up 2 cards, right? First card is lost and then you are picking 2 cards. So maybe the chances that lost one is diamond. So how many diamonds are there? 13. 13 out of 52. So there are 1 by 4 chances this is lost. Or maybe not diamond, lost. You know, some other card is lost. So that will be 3 by 4. ठीक है? है ना? Because 1 by 4 is diamond lost. So remaining 3 by 4 diamond not lost. Suppose your diamond is lost. So how many cards are left now? Now leftover is, how many are left over? Is 51, correct? And out of that, how many are diamonds? This is total left, correct? And how many are diamonds left over is 12, because 13 may say 1 is lost, correct? So you have to find the probability that diamond is lost and both drawn are diamonds. Both are diamonds, correct? Or not both diamonds. ठीक है? तो both diamond. The first diamond, तो 12 by 51 है ना? Because 1 is gone, तो 12 is left over and out of 51 there are 12 chances that first one is diamond. Now and and 50 are left, है ना, out of 51 one is gone again, 50 are left. Now how many diamonds are left over out of 12? 11, because after 12 one is taken out, so 11 are left. So this is the probability that both are diamonds. Okay, not both diamonds, they are not asking, so I am not even writing. Now here also there are chances that both, when you are picking up, that both are diamond, correct? So how many are total left? Total left card is 51. And how many are diamonds leftovers? See, the card which was lost was not diamond at all. So only total 13 were still there. Yes. The probability that first card you are picking out is diamond is 13 out of 51. And now how many are left over? This 13 out of 13, one is taken out. So now left over is 50. And how many diamonds are left over after 13 were taken out? Is 12. Okay? And because this is AND, first is diamond and second is diamond, we are multiplying. Here also, first is diamond and second, that's why we are multiplying in these two cases. And not both diamond, I am not writing because they are not even asking anything about it. So this is my chart which is ready. Okay, I hope understood. Try to make it again. So what they are asking is probability. Let me write. ठीक है, ये समझ में आया आपको? तो this is probability. We have to find that lost is diamond, and what is given? Condition that both were diamonds. When you are picking up the second card, both are diamonds. This is a very important question, little bit tricky question. Okay, so both diamond possibility is this. The first case may be this, that first is lost diamond and you got diamond, or lost was not diamond and you got diamond. Out of that, this one is favorable, lost diamond. So this one is favorable. The probability formula is favorable by total. Correct? Understood, right? So what is the favorable conditions? What is the favorable out of these? That diamond is lost. Total में, first case total में diamond is lost, which is 1/4, and other two are diamonds, this and this. Or means diamond not lost, 3/4, and both are diamond, 13/51 and 12/50. I hope you understood, because cards are taken out one by one, both diamonds, right? First leftover is 51 and then leftover is 50, like that. Out of that, top one is favorable, the top one, right? So let me write down 1/4, 12/51, 11/50. Okay? Now let's simplify. To 4, 51, 50, 4, 51, 50 is common, so I have cancelled. Okay? Let's multiply. 12 into 11 is 132. This is 132 plus 3 into this is 468. Okay? Let's add it up. So 132 by 400, 500, 60, 90. This is, I think, 600 total. 4, 5 and 600, correct. If you cancel it by 12, it will be 11/50, which is the final answer. Cut it by 12 and see. Okay? If you are not getting it, write it in comment box. I will check. Let's do Question number 30. Small question. Probability that A speaks truth is 4 by 5. If a coin is tossed and he reports that a head appears, or the probability that there is actually head. This is a very easy question, but let's try it. Okay. So A speaks. A speaks. Correct. So what he is doing, he is tossing the coin. Okay, first he is tossing the coin and then he is speaking. So maybe head will come or maybe tail will come. Head will be 1 by 2, tail 1 by 2. Then there are two chances that he reports head. And here reports tail. There are two chances. Tail came, but maybe he reports head or maybe he reports tail. You know? These are the chances. So they are saying 4 by 5 cases he speaks truth. Okay. So head came and head he is reporting, so that is truth only. You know, he is reporting, so that is true. Not lie. You know, if it is he's saying tail, so he is lying. Yani ki 1 out of 5. Tail came and he is reporting head, so this is a lie. So 1 by 5 chances. Tail came and he is telling tail, so he is telling truth, which is 4 by 5. This is your tail. Okay. They are saying find the probability that actually head came and he is reporting head. What probability that, what is the probability that actually head came given that he reports head? Correct. He can report head in two cases. He may lie or he may say truth. See, he is reporting head either in this case or in this case. Out of that, we have to take favorable that actually head came. Actually head came in this case. So this one is only favorable, you know, out of these two cases. So we have to take favorable by total. Okay. Favorable is the first case. So let me write down. बहुत easy question है. Probability that actually head came given that he reports head is 1 by 2, 4 by 5, or this one 1 by 2, 1 by 5. You know, 1 by 2 is the truth. Tail came and he is telling a lie. First one is favorable, 1 by 2 and 4 by 5. Okay, 2 5 cancel. It is 4 by 4 plus 1, which is 4 by 5. This is the answer. Easy tha? Let's do one more. 14th, last question. A and B are two events that A is a subset of B. Okay. A is subset of B means what? If B is there, so A is inside this only. You know, if B is there, A is inside this only. A subset of B means A is inside B. So if I take A intersection B, so it will come out to be complete A. You know, intersection means this part. Okay. So what will be probability of A intersection B? Will be PA only. Okay. Now they have given that PB is not equal to 0. So which one is correct? The probability of A condition is B. So formula is PA intersection B by PB. This is the formula. Correct? So it is nothing PA by PB. Correct, because PA intersection B is this. Okay, so first one is not possible, है ना? This is we are not getting. So we want it is less than PA or more than PA. Let me see. What is PB? PB is some probability, and probability was always less than 1. Less than 1 means it may be 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. So if any number in denominator is less than 1, then it will be 1 by PB will be more than 1. Yes or no? If suppose it is 0.1, so 1 by 0.1 is 10. है ना? So reverse of any small number is always a big number. है ना? So if denominator is less than 1, then this will be for sure some bigger number, some number k into PA. Correct? Multiply k. K will be some number. So what I am trying to say is this will come out to be little bit more than PA. So this is the correct answer. Okay. ठीक है, see you in next video where we will solve miscellaneous.